Let's take a look at some of the new features contained within version 9 and how to get around. The first thing you'll notice is the admin has a completely new look and feel. It's been updated for usability, speed, and ease of use. If you're familiar with the version 5 admin at all, you'll notice the big difference is there's no left navigation. That completely went away and is replaced by this left menu. This menu is where you'll get to anywhere you want to go. Everything's been organized into logical sections. So catalog contains your categories, your products, your attribute templates, inventory, and image types. Order processing has all the features and tools you'll need to process orders, including managing orders and managing shipments. The same links that you see in the left navigation here are also on the home page for these quick links. You can easily get to where you need to go by using the quick links on the home page. User interface elements, where pages and items are all contained within this user interface nav item. Another nice feature of version 9 is this history tab. This history tab will show you everywhere you've gone, so it's very simple to get back to recently visited places. Say for example, I want to go back to user interface, I can click right here and it'll take me right back to where I was. Bookmarks is another useful feature. Each of the places you go to most often can be bookmarked. The bookmark is this little ribbon over here on the far right. If I click it, it will drop down, and if I come back over to here, it will add this location to my bookmarks. Now I can come and rename this under Manage Bookmarks and say I want to rename this to UI, hit close, and now I have this UI bookmark. So every time I want to go to the user interface section, I can quickly come to Bookmarks and click UI. Another great feature of version 9 is this search navigation. You have the ability to search everything within the software. So this can search customers, pages, products, categories. Anywhere you want to go can be found through the search. Say for example, I want to go to the storefront page. I can search for the code SFNT, and I know it's a page, so I'm going to scroll over using the left and right arrows on the keyboard, and I can easily get to the main storefront template or individual areas within the storefront page itself. One nice feature about the search nav is there's a keyboard shortcut to open it. It's Option / on the Mac or Alt / on a PC. The search nav allows you to search for places, products, categories, and pages. And it does it using a fuzzy search, so you don't have to search for the exact keyword. Miva will show you the most relevant results based off what you've typed in. The last thing I want to show you is Miva's new category list layout. Any page within the admin that lists data uses this layout. So if I go to customers, it's going to show me all customers in the list. Now this list layout allows me to quickly edit things on the fly. So I can double click on something and I can put in my first name and hit enter and it will automatically save it. These column headers are very flexible. So I can resort them, I can click and drag and move a column header over, or I can even add new column headers to the page itself. Say I want to see additional data about customers, I can easily add new columns to the page and then sort them so they display wherever I want. Now these settings are user specific and screen specific. So my user can come in here and I can customize the layout for customers, where a different user can have a completely different layout. This list layout also has an advanced search, where you can perform very complicated queries to get the data you need to see. You also have the ability to export this data to a CSV quickly and easily. So I can select one row or multiple rows, click the CSV button, and it will automatically create a CSV file of all the data that's on the screen. This is very useful for exporting data out of Miva Merchant. These are just a few high-level features of Miva Merchant version 9. Throughout this video series, we're going to go into much more depth of how to use the admin and the different features of Miva Merchant.